Good morning. The weather today is insane. It's like 17 degrees and sunny, and we're still in March, so I'm pretty happy about it. Hello you guys, how are you? It's been around a week since I got home from Australia and I feel like I've just kind of landed. I mean, not physically, but like mentally. I'm still waking up early, but not like 3 a.m. kind of early. Like I'm waking up around 7. I also had quite a bit of work to catch up on when I got back, but I'm done with that now. And we're also a week away from doubling down on all things my brand Pastel, launching, making videos of the packing cubes, all that. Yes, I made my own packing cubes. You can go to pastel.co.uk if you want to sign up to the waitlist. But yeah, we're still like a week out from that taking up pretty much all my time. So today, turns out I have a bit of a free day. So I figured what better way to spend my free day than having a full solo day out in the city together. So I have a few things planned. I signed up to this gorgeous reformer Pilates studio at 9 a.m. And then after that, I was thinking we could make some breakfast and then head on over to Covent Garden. But the rest of the day is pretty much just spontaneous. You know, let's see what we can do. Let's see what we can find. So yeah, let's finish my matcha and then I'll get changed and go to Pilates. That has got to be the prettiest Pilates studio I've ever been in. I love that so much. Also just like such a good workout, like we did full body. I feel amazing. I'm excited to get on with my day. Myself a little yogurt bowl for breakfast today. Ever since I got home from Australia, it's been my favorite thing to start my mornings with because I had so much like acai and yogurt bowls while there. So I got a little bit inspired and this is my breakfast of choice now. So we got some strawberries, some blueberries, some granola and some coconut flakes to top it off. I mean, look how good that looks. Before I start eating though, I'm gonna quickly do my daily supplements. We got my daily multi-nutrient and collagen 500 plus. These are both by Wild Nutrition, by the way, which is a female-founded food-grown supplements brand. I've always been really wary about what supplements I put in my body. Obviously, I want to be healthy, but I feel like there's so much on the market. I don't want to like take anything and everything. So I really love how thorough Wild is in their approach to supplements. Everyone who signs up gets to do a 60-second quiz and gets to have a 15-minute consultation with a qualified nutritionist. I had mine a few weeks back and it was really useful for me to get that bespoke recommendation on exactly what supplements I should be taking to reach my health goals. So this is my little marine collagen powder drink I'm gonna have together with my yogurt bowl. And we also have my daily multivitamins to pick up any shortfalls in my nutrition. So if you're interested in trying Wild Nutrition, I got you guys 50% off your first 3-month subscription when you visit wildnutrition.com/Maddie. And now let's have my breakfast. I'm gonna quickly do my skincare and then we're out of here because the weather is so nice. I can't spend any more time inside today. I do have to say though, regarding my skincare routine, I feel like my skin has actually become a lot better lately. Literally just because I'm doing Project Pan and I'm only allowing myself to use a select few products until they run out before I can try a new one. If you follow me on Instagram or TikTok, you know I've been doing Project Pan since the beginning of the year, and I post like monthly updates on how I'm doing, what products I'm out of and stuff. And I genuinely feel like because I'm only like introducing one product at a time to my skin whenever I run out, basically, I'm actually breaking out less, which has been really good. Anyway, we're gonna keep it super simple today with the makeup. Just doing a little bit of the Glossier eyebrow gel, Boy Brow, to keep my eyebrows in place. A little bit of sun cream, because it is very sunny today. And the Rhode Pocket Blush. Dry shampoo. And some hair oil. Okay, let's get dressed. It's like a little difficult to dress for the weather today because the wind is still a little bit chilly, so I have to have a jacket on. But it's really warm in the sun, so I also have to have a tank on. And it's difficult to pair both things, but this is the outfit. First plan of the day is we're gonna go to Covent Garden. But I was thinking, since it's such great weather today, I'm gonna grab a Boris bike and cycle over. I haven't cycled in London in over 6 months, so it should be fun, but it's good weather, so let's do it. I got my matcha, so let's go around and explore Covent Garden a little bit because I haven't been here forever. It's not really a place I go quite frequently because it is quite touristy, and when you don't live in the area, you just end up not going. But they have a really nice Reformation store here that I think I might pop into. And then I'm just gonna see what else has come up in the past year, basically, that I haven't been here. It's very cute, but I do have a lot of blazers, so I think I'm gonna think about this one for a little. I've decided I'm getting a little spring sweater because, as you saw this morning, I'm missing it in my wardrobe. But I'm in between this white one or this brown one. It is literally just an extension of what I already have on, but I mean, it just means that I like the pattern. I changed into my new jumper / cardigan because I wanted to. But anyway, I'm starting to get a bit hungry. I think it's almost 2 p.m. so let's get some lunch There's this really cute place in the middle of Seven Dials, kind of hidden behind this sketch entry. When you walk in, and this is what you see. And this is it. 26 grains. That's what we're gonna eat. Thank you. It looks delicious. I got my lunch. This is a lot of food. I didn't know it would be this big, but I got a little pesto omelette. That looks delicious. And some sourdough, Danish style, because they have the whipped butter, which I got every single day when I was in Copenhagen last year, 3 years ago. I have no memory, apparently. It's delicious. I am so happy. Making a little bag charm for my bag, because why not? The shop was here, it's cute. Guys, I love these things so much. When I saw the shop, I was like, I have to go in. Thank you so much. I just got back. The time is currently 4:30 and I have a little bit of a headache. I'm not gonna lie, I think I've been out in the sun for way too long. Not way too long, but longer than I typically am on a day like today. So I'm gonna quickly tidy up my flat because it's looking a little bit messy, and then I'm just gonna relax for like an hour or two before I'm heading back out again because I'm seeing my friend Louise for dinner today. We're going to this ramen place called Bone Daddy's, so really exciting. But yeah, let's clean my flat. This is my favorite ramen in all of London.